Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the angel cat from Aphmau MeeMeows. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a big circle. There, now one circle in, I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two circles inside for highlights. So I'm going to draw one bigger one. And because this is an angel cat, I'm going to try right here to draw a star, kind of following the angel cat eyes, but making them still draw so cute eyes. So I'm just going to draw a little star right there and then draw a curve down here and lines at the bottom. There. And then I'm going to shade this all in black. But if you want to follow the angel cat eyes, you can just color this part blue if you like. There. Let's do the same thing on this side. So one big circle for a highlight and then a star right here. And a curve. There. Okay, finally done with the eyes. Then let's spruce them up a little bit on the sides right here. I'm going to come about right here and I'm going to draw a curve coming out and in. And same thing on this side. So about right here, curve out and back in and then shade it all in. There. And then we're going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. Then in between the eyes, let's draw the mouth. So let's say about right here in the center, I'm just going to give myself a point. From there, I'm going to draw two curves coming out. And I'll cap it off a little bit right here on the edges and then connect it with a curve coming down and then put another curve right here for a tongue. Then we need to go ahead and frame the face. So let's come back to let's just say the lash right here. I'm just going to come out just a tiny bit. It's just a little bit easier for me to figure out what I'm doing. So I'll just use that as my guide right there, right next to it. And I'm basically going to start to draw my basic dumpling shape. So I'm just going to come about right here and draw a curve. Going around. It's going to be a little rounder right here where the cheeks are. And then we're just going to connect it towards the bottom and flatten it out. So about right here. Come in towards the center and then back up. So if you definitely need to, turn the paper or your body, definitely do that if it helps you draw this curve a little bit easier. Okay, there, so I got this huge curve in. I'm going to bring this up a tiny bit more. And same thing here. Just go up a little bit more. And then from there, I'm going to just kind of skip a little bit of space for the ears. And then I'm going to come right here. Just imagine this curve is continuing, going up. And same thing here. Just so skip a little bit of space and about right here, just like the other side. We're just continuing this curve. And the reason I need to stop there is because we need to draw the halo. So we're basically going to be drawing a big oval for the top. So let's say about right here, I'm going to start and just draw a curve right over the head. So just play around with this oval, see which way is easier for you to draw. You go this way or come from the top. It's all up to you, but we just want to kind of put this big oval about right here, nice and round. So bring it up and back. There. So now that we have that in, whatever space you have left, just finish off your curve. But definitely if you're using a pencil, you would just finish this curve first. Then from there, let's draw some details. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve, kind of following my curve. Right there to make it look like a halo, and then another curve about right here. Just an opening. There. So hopefully that looks like a halo. Okay, there. Then from there we need to draw the ears. So I'm going to come back to this space about right here, and we're going to go up to about right there, round off the tip, and then just bring down a curve. Then follow this, go up and in. So same thing on the other side from here, but it's easier for my hand to go from the top. So I'm just going to find my point right about there for the other ear. So about right here, just approximate, and we need to come back down here. So let's say about right there, round off the tip and bring it down. And then once again, we're going to draw the inside. So curve and another curve. There. So hopefully that helped you to draw this part right here. But like I said, if you're using a pencil, definitely draw in this curve first. Maybe even put in the ears if you like. Okay, so then now that we have that done, let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's say about right here, just kind of imagine this is the head, one nice poofy body. So about right here, I'm going to draw a curve. So I'm going to go up and say about right here, I'll bring it down, not too long, just make it extra cute. So about right here, I'm just going to bring down a curve and go all the way. Now before I finish that, let's come back to about right here, like where this eye is, so right here. Just like all my other MeeMeows, we're going to draw a little paw right here. So a little curve, and then bring it in. And now we're just going to continue. This curve, this body. And everything's going to meet up right here at the back foot. So about right here, just pop out a curve and a curve and connect. There. And then we need the other front paw, so about right here, just like this one, and in. There. And then now let's go ahead and draw a tail. So about right here in this area, I'm going to go ahead and come up, not too long, and then round it off and bring it right back in. Okay, so now that we have that, to make it look more like an angel, we need some wings, right? So in this area right here, we're going to draw some wings. And so let's see here. I'm going to start about right here. And I'm going to go up. And I'm going to curve in a little bit and then out to draw our wing. So we're going to draw one curve. And then before I finish that, I'm going to come around. This part is nice and round. Maybe two, and we're going to come in as we draw this, and three, and then just go ahead and connect it. There, nice and round, kind of going up at an angle slightly. Then from there, let's bring this in just for some detail. Bring this in. And then right here, you can break it up with 2 curves. There, make it extra soft and plushy, right? Okay, so then from there, for some details, let's add some stars. So I'm going to come right here. I'm not going to add too many. There's a lot more on the original, but I just want to show you what you could do. Maybe some stars and some circles. Stars going different directions. Circle here, smaller one here. Just want to make it look magical and angelic, of course. So another star maybe here, and pop one here. And some circles, and then of course I'm going to add a heart right here, just like all my other MeeMeows, to make this my Draw So Cute angel cat from Aphmau MeeMeows. I really hope you love how it turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.